Installing Thinwoods is a simple process. There are a few things to remember to help make your installation a breeze. First, make sure you measure correctly. This is important as you want to make sure you order the correct amount of wood for your project. Collect all of the tools you will need before beginning the installation. The first step is to prime the wall. We recommend using a flat black as the background color. Next, you will want to lay out the boards to create the design you will use on the wall. Apply adhesive to the back of the wood in a zigzag pattern. Apply the wood fairly quickly so the adhesive will adhere properly. You will want to use a level on the first row to make sure you get a nice straight line. Make sure you measure each board as you get to the edge of the wall and make the necessary cuts. Continue to apply the pattern you created to your wall. Congratulations! You've finished your project and it looks beautiful.